English or Spanish? As highly requested, we're doing the no joystick challenge on classic. Rules are, you're just not allowed to touch your joystick. That's it. We'll make it there. Someday.
Finally, some minions.
Nice. I'm dead. Oh, Moscow is actually a really good pick because I can just... Oh, wait. I hit those? Oh. Damn. We beat him together, with the power of friendship or something. Oh shit, he has the power of friendship. Alright, now. Oh.
Actually,
How do I miss that?
But I can. Damn.
Damn.
What? Oh.
Yes, I'm moving. Goodbye. Goodbye, peasants. No, don't die. Bro, reach the minions. I got a kill. I can actually move because they're close enough. Hey, yo. I was a little distracted. If you can't come to the enemy, make the enemy come to you. Yes, he's not. Stop following him, please. Oh man, Guesco's joining the party.
Who's bad? Damn!
Oh, I ult. No, don't target him. Don't target him. Bruh. How did I miss that? Now I can't move. That's crazy. Tilsirto can just free hit me. Actually, I'm gonna watch me. Watch my clip, boys.
You ain't no sneaker, you're sneaky.
Alright. You ain't no moist critical, you're just moist. Come here. It, what are you gonna do with the sprint? Run fast.
Yes! The move.
Goodbye, peasants. Wow. Shit.
Come over here. Come over here later. I'm over struck with.
I fucked up.
Bring him! Bang!
I am dying to the fucking Kermit.
Imagine dying to a Kermit baby.
Could be you. We'll see.
Oh! I won!
Now
Come back! Gonna shut the hell up.
I'm clipping that.
You ain't no clipper.
I'll show you my clips. You know, I'm a fan user from the heart, you know. I was born to play fan.
Oh, really?
Like, you know, my father was the greatest fan user. I can't get to my blue buff. My blue buff.
What the fuck are you trying to do?
Get him!
No!
Please. How do I move now? Pop your strut, please.
What's the please gonna do?
Make me go faster. Actually, how do you... Wait, you need your joystick though, fuck. Okay, just go straight down, and hopefully you will hit Moscow. Just go straight down. That's not straight. you know, you two look very suspicious.
Yes, now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Boom!
Yeah.
I won. Okay.
I only move.
This way.
It sucks. I can only move straight. That's great. Oh my god, this fucking jungle is controlling the direction I dash. Yo, oh no, I'm goat. Oh my god.
You're not goated, alright?
So
If you're goated, you're supposed to make goat sounds.
Are you the goat?
Yes.
That sounds like a sheep to me.
Bro, sheep is like bah.
Points taken. You're mine, I did.
Sing!
I killed you.
I'm good.
Now I run.